Radium is the 88th element on the periodic table. Its relative atomic mass is 226. Radium is composed of 88 protons and 138 neutrons. The percent abundance of isotopes in radium is 99% of Ra226. The other measly 1% is Ra228. The electron configuration is Rn7s squared. The surface of radium metal is covered with a thin layer of oxide that helps protect the metal from air, but to a lesser extent than the corresponding layer in magnesium. Once ignited, radium metal is likely to burn in air to give a mixture of white radium oxide and radium nitride. Radium reacts very readily with water to form radium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas. Two of the products of reacting radium with halogens are radium-2 chloride and radium-2 bromide. The native state of radium is solid at 298 degrees Kelvin. Radium is a metallic substance with a melting point of 973 degrees Kelvin or 700 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 1773 degrees Kelvin or 1500 degrees Celsius. Inhalation, injection, or body exposure to radium can cause cancer and other body disorders. Radium is over 1,000,000 times more reactive than the same mass of uranium. Radium is highly radioactive and hence carcinogenic. Microscopic quantities of radium in the environment can lead to some accumulation of radium in bone tissue. Radium was formerly used in self-luminous paints for watches, nuclear panels, aircraft switches, clocks, and instrument dials. In the mid-1920s, a lawsuit was filed by 5 dying radium girl dial painters who had painted radium-based luminous paints on the dials of watches and clocks. The dial painters' exposure to radium caused serious health effects which included sores, anemia, and bone cancer. This is because radium is treated as calcium by the body and deposited in the bones where radioactivity degrades marrow and can mutate bone cells. Radium was once an additive in products like toothpaste, hair creams, and even food items due to its supposed curative powers. Such products soon fell out of vogue and were prohibited by authorities in many countries after it was discovered that they could have serious adverse health effects. Radium was discovered by Marie Curie and her husband Pierre on December 21, 1898 in pitchblende coming from North Bohemia in the Czech Republic. While studying pitchblende, the Curies removed uranium from it and found that the remaining material was still radioactive. They then separated out a radioactive mixture consisting mostly of barium, which gave a brilliant green flame color and crimson carmine spectral lines, which had never been documented before. The Curies announced their discovery to the French Academy of Sciences on the 26th of December, 1898. This has been an Elemental production. Thank you for watching.